don't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today I'm actually gonna be unboxing my sneaker pickups from All-Star Weekend. I do have an issue right here because I only ordered 2 pairs of sneakers and I got 3 sneaker boxes. So I feel like Nike done sent me something for free and shit, we about to get straight into it. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And that Supreme poster giveaway actually ended. So I'm gonna go ahead and open a new one real soon. So stay tuned for the next Supreme video. I'm going to be giving away a Supreme t-shirt, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below and stay tuned. Click the post notification bells because this week I am going to be starting a new giveaway. But without any further ado, man, let's get straight into this video. So in order to save us some time, I did open the boxes. I cut the tape and shit just to save some time. I don't really want to waste time in the video. I just want to get straight to the nitty and gritty. Right here we do got one of the best sneakers that dropped for All-Star Weekend, but unfortunately I couldn't get my size. These are a size 8, but these right here I might unfortunately have to sell. They are gonna have to go on Astro Bodega, so go ahead and follow the resale page because these are gonna be up there. These are so fire, bro. Probably one of my favorite ones to come out this year. These shits are so crazy, bro. Look at these right here. I'm gonna take them out the box for y'all. These are crazy, bro. These are base sizes and they're definitely gonna have to go. So fire, bro. This color blocking on here is so clean to me. I definitely like what they did with this. This is the typical bread toe, all that type of ones, the pine greens, the court purple, same color blocking and patent leather. It has that obsidian type dark ass blue right there. It's just an all over hard shoe. I honestly wish I would have got it in my size, but sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and hey, it's still a W because resale on these right now is like $320 or something like that. I'm gonna most likely let them go for like $300 on the Instagram account, but these right here so fire, bro. I really like what they did with the Jordan 1s for All-Star Weekend. I think this is like a 6.5 in men's sizing or big kids, I should say. Bro, these are clean. I want to know what y'all have to say about these right here. I feel like All-Star Weekend this year compared to last year was nothing, but it's still pretty cool, you feel me? They had a lot of dope pairs coming out, these being probably one of the favorite ones that I had on my list. Yo, honestly, when these came out, I thought I caught the L, but when I was on the app, it said they sold out and it didn't go through. I checked my card and it said that it went through, bro. I was hyped. I didn't know that I got this size, but it is what it is, bro. At least I got something, you feel me? These go hard and these gonna have to go, bro. Let me know if y'all need these down below. Bang, slight bars. I'm gonna put these back in the box. Get into the second box. I got 2 boxes from Nike. I only ordered 1 pair, so right here we got the second package from Nike. I don't know what sneakers these are, but I know that it is a Nike box, so hopefully it's some heat. We got this Nike box right there. We got the receipt at the bottom. I'm actually gonna check what it says because yeah, bro, this shit was supposed to go to Wang, but it ended up right here with Astro. No problems with Nike. Thank you, Nike, because y'all just came through for the boy. I don't even know what this is though. Like, I got some foam posits and I think I know what they are. Oh nah, these shit's probably Fugazi. I know what they are, bro. They are from the All-Star Weekend releases and these shits was ass. Like, these was ass. These gonna have to go, bro. We got these right here. What are they doing with these, bro? I'm gonna take them out for y'all. I don't got much to say about these. Only that I gotta thank Nike for them because I could flip them, make a quick little 200 on them. My other sneakers got bought by themselves. I appreciate it. The best part of this sneaker right here is that Nike little pin right there. So hard. But besides that, bro, who is wearing these? Like, let me know. And the crazy part is they are my size, but I can't even fathom. Low key, it would go with this jacket, but what do I look like stepping out the crib in these? Like, let me know down below. Straight garden. I'm not trying to do that. These are definitely getting flipped, but it's a straight come up. I got these for free, bro. Like, what? I typically don't get shit for free from these companies, especially like Nike and stuff like that, but this is like Monopoly when you get that chance card and they say, hey, collect $200 at go or some shit like that. That's what this is right here. Thank you, Nike. Right in time for Supreme. That's gonna cover half of my money for Supreme. We got these right here, these Fugazi foam posit ones with the flowers on them. Whoever bought these, my boy, hopefully you get a refund and you could get some heat because these is dookie. These is straight dookie. I'm gonna put these down for y'all and I'm gonna get into this last pair, which is really the pair that I'm excited about because it's for me. Like, it's for the personal. These 2 right here are gonna be for sale. I would put these on my Instagram account, but who's even gonna buy these? Like, I don't know. If y'all want to buy these, let me know down below, but I'm gonna throw these on my Instagram or they going straight to StockX. Not even gonna hold you. This last pair right here, boys, this is the one one that I'm amped for. Not even gonna lie, I was waiting for this one to get here because I got it from Foot Locker and it takes a little bit longer. I got a coupon. First of all, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna use that for some kicks, but got the receipt in there. Y'all don't need to see all that, it's whatever, but bang, y'all already know how we coming. Got that good old Nike right there. These, bro, as soon as I saw pictures of these, I already knew what's up, bro. I needed these. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and open them for y'all first. Oh, pre-cum. I'm trying to tell you, the pre-cum, bro, should be coming crazy. Bruh, come on, son. I'm gonna take both sneakers out the box just so y'all can see, but words can't describe this pair right here. This is one of my favorite Jordan 1s that dropped all year so far, and these might be in my top 10 for the end of the year. These are crazy, bruh. Got that exposed tongue, kind of like the Unions. Got that teal on the inside. It's hard to explain the color on these because it's like in between a green and a blue, low key, but these go dummy, bro. Like dummy hard. I don't know what laces to put. I think I'm gonna do like a purple and a white just to throw them off a little bit. I feel like they should have done purple and yellow, but maybe I'm just being picky. These shits are hard, bruh. Come on. This material is like hard to explain. I know that the leather looks tumbled, but it's not really tumbled. It's like, it's more so like a tumbled effect on it. It's not really tumbled though. It just feels like a little bit like some of the parts actually are tumbled. Feels tumbled right there, but then on the side, it's more like a rougher leather that has like a wrinkled effect to it. These are so hard, bro. This turbo green colorway is gonna go down in history. When it comes to the sneaker, it feels like this should have been an OG. It got that oxidized bottom right there. Y'all really won't be able to see it too much. It got that pure white on the mid panel. Then it got that oxidized yellow right there with the gray bottom. These remind me of like some 85s. These should have came out back then, and that's the feel that they have. Like the leather is kind of destroyed like they should be on old sneakers. This panel right here feels like the paint chipped off and that's what's left, and the oxidization, if that's even a word, looks clean on it. It just brings the shoe together. It has the vintage vibe on it. Some people don't like the lettering right here, but to me it's pretty cool. It's subtle. It's not OD like the not for resells. I feel like they did it just right, bruh. This sneaker is probably my favorite, one of my favorites in the collection for sure. Low key, I'm putting these up with some of the OGs. I'm not even gonna lie. This colorway is so clean to me. You got the Laker hint on the tab right there. Come on, son. You can't tell me these aren't hard. And what I do like about them is that resale isn't too steep, so you can get them if you want them. They're constantly restocking. I actually had the opportunity to buy them again, but I don't need them again. I just need them one time for the one time. These are definitely staying in the collection forever. There's not much to say, bro. These, favorite pickup from this video, favorite colorway from the All-Star Weekend series. These and the other ones that came out, the UNCs, so hard, bruh. I'm kind of glad I'm gonna get to sell those because I don't really need them, and I could get 300 beans for them. That's no issue. Thank you, Nike, for sending me some free kicks. This is definitely not clickbait. Like, I would never, ever, 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 ever buy them shits. Like, just know that for sure. It would never, y'all won't see no flowers on my kicks unless it's the Witherspoons that get the corduroy peeled back. Besides that, y'all won't see no flower sneakers over here. Come on, bro. If y'all want to see a fit pic, let me know. I actually posted a picture yesterday, so go show that some love. But that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what y'all thought down below. This 3 pair of sneakers right here, well, 2 of them are heat. The other one's a straight dookie, but it's a straight come up, so I ain't even tripping. These are A1 steak sauce, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Low key, bro. Y'all don't even know, bro. Just wait for the fit pic. I'm gonna try to do a dope one for this one, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, bro. Go ahead and leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Stay tuned for the giveaway because that is gonna be dropping shortly. Most likely, I'm gonna start it this weekend, and it is gonna be for a Supreme tee from last season. So stay tuned. Subscribe, click the post notification bells, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, bro. Peace. Stay up, and I'm out. We out, and we out. These turbo greens, though, son. Shit.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want